How to set verbosity preset to high custom low on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on talkback. So now in talkback, click on settings. Now in talkback settings, so scroll down. You will see second option is verbosity, so click on verbosity. So after click on verbosity, so click on choose a preset. So after click on choose a preset, so if you want to set high, so click on high. So if you want to set custom, so click on custom. So if you want to set low, so click on low. So after selecting high, low, custom and low from here, so after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set verbosity preset to high custom low on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.